Welcome to Valley RV Supercenter, guys. My name's Randy. I'm the sales manager here. I'm doing a year-end recap here. It's the last day of the year for 2023, and I want to go over the top selling floor plans for us for the entire year. The first being this 2023 Jayco J-Flight. It's a 212 QBW is the floor plan. It's a 21-footer that weighs 4,400 pounds dry the way it sits right now. Let's go check out why it's our top seller. So getting inside here, guys, just going to point out some really cool things on why this makes it the top seller. So out of every single travel trailer, we sell more of these because it has a 4-person dinette. You get the giant couch in back. You get the TV up there. Tons of storage all the way around here. You have your pantry here, the 8 cubic foot fridge with the freezer up top. Tons of counter space. And then right across from that is your bathroom with, you got a stand-up shower, porcelain toilet. One thing people constantly look for, especially in these small trailers, this one's 21 feet. You get a complete walk-around bed here, which is really important. Makes making the bed easier, storing your clothes up top easier, just more functional at the end of the day. So again, this is the 2023 Jayco J-Flight 212 QBW here from Valley RV Supercenter. Happy New Year, guys. Take care.
Josh here with Valley RV Supercenter, continuing our 2023 year in review of most popular models. On to the fifth wheel section. Here we have the 28.5 RSTS Eagle HT, #1 selling fifth wheel at Valley RV Supercenter. Let's take a look inside. Here we are inside the 28.5. One of the main reasons this is such a successful unit and people absolutely love it is the living room like rear reclining area with the couch, the recliners, the TV, the fireplace. Gives you all the amenities of home while you're on the road. Coming into the kitchen with your island, refrigerator, stove, microwave, nice dinette for 2. Easily becomes ready for 4. Pantries, storage galore, and we're the magic happens. Full king size walk around bed, storage on both sides, and sometimes you can sneak into the bathroom alone.
And finally, in our year-end review, we've got our #1 selling motorized is the Jayco Terrain. This thing is an all-wheel drive off-road beast. You can pretty much take it anywhere. 48-volt battery system. You can run the AC for up to 8 hours on a full charge, so you're not limited to where you can go.
Happy New Year's from Valley RV Supercenter.